Alright, hello everybody. It's been a long time since I've made a car wash video. I apologize for that. I've been busy finishing up finals for school, packing, and getting ready to move down to Houston once again for the summer. But I was out today, just stopped at White County in Monticello to get the warning siren test. Now I'm down here in Walkerton to get the noon blast, and I have discovered a car wash. Longboards, probably owned by the same people who own Longboards in New Carlisle. But we're gonna check it out, see what they got. It's a PDQ system. The one in New Carlisle was a LaserWash 4000. And it looks like, according to the branding here, we've got ourselves a LaserWash G5-S. So we'll go ahead with the pay station here and pay. We've got the Big Kahuna for 10. Let's see if I can zoom in here. Big Kahuna for 10, Banana Boat for 9, and Shark Tooth for 8. I don't see any wash package signs, so I can't show you guys those, what's included. We're gonna go for the 8 as always. Or sorry, not the 8, the top, the $10. Oh, I guess you gotta select first. We might not be getting a car wash. Alright, the credit card machine is being dumb here, so we're gonna have to pay with cash. Alright, we've got the go-ahead here. Balls. And it looks... I'm trying to get my card back. Looks, like it could be in better shape. We've got onboard dryers. Already off to a bad start with lack of pre-soak, or not pre-soak, lack of undercarriage wash. That's open. This does not look good. Keep going forward here and tells me to stop. This is a big bay. There we go, stop, no buzzer. Let's see what we get with that paneling being open. Now this starts in the back. It does not sound very good. And here comes pre-soak. Let's see if this thing, oh, it goes this way. Let's see if this thing can surprise me. Alright, coating of pre-soak. And that's it, it's just alright, nothing spectacular. And we've docked there. And here we come again. This does have the onboard max air dryers, if I have not mentioned that already. smells really bad. And we'll wait for soaking, and I should get high pressure wash here soon. Sign says high pressure wash, and here we go. Oh, that is weak. Even for the 0 degree rotating nozzles, that is very, very weak. That is so weak. And it's even weaker now. The pressure washer on this thing does not work at all. There's no high pressure rinse. Wow. Wow. Let's see if we get trifoam. Yeah, on one side, not so much on the other. Oh, this thing is... Here we're gonna go again with the lack of... Oh. Or a rinse from the top. See if this is even worth anything. What do we get now? Rain-X. In a soap-covered car. Still. And that's an insanely fast pass of Rain-X there. Holy cow. And the sign says soaking still, which is what's weird. I'm assuming this is going to be spot-free rinse. And there's still soap dripping off my car. Nope, now a spot-free rinse. From the high-pressure arm again. So overall, this thing is very poor. Does a good job for a spot-free rinse, but the high-pressure cycle was a joke. Absolute joke. And now we're going to get our laser dry. From the onboard Max Air dryers. Let's see if they do a good job. Onboard Max Airs are surprisingly pretty good usually. It's still just leaking water on my car, so we get another pass back. Dryers are not that great. left a lot of water along the sides, a lot of water on the front still. Did a decent job on the hood. Doesn't get the back at all. And we're gonna get our exit here shortly. And so that is the panel that's wide open there. This machine, I feel like, has been sitting a long time as the water smells terrible. The high pressure rinse cycle was non-existent, and overall the wash was not worth the $10 paid. So now off to the noon blast here. Got about 20 minutes till that goes off, and then down to North Judson, where I was originally going to get a wash until I found this and saw one of the only G5-S's I know of that's actually in Indiana. Thank you guys very much for watching, and look forward to seeing more videos once I get down to Houston, just like last year. Alright, thank you guys very much.